The next major release of Premiere Pro will offer streamlined workflows for amazing motion graphics, powerful selective color grading tools, and intelligent audio cleanup. The new release of Premiere Pro introduces selective color grading, a fresh approach to curve adjustments. The selective color grading tools for adjusting against hue values show the hue range as a horizontal line. Each of them pairs two axes, such as hue versus saturation, making it easy to see what you're doing. Use these tools to balance your tonal range, or to boost or reduce specific colors. Or use the luma versus saturation curve to get rid of a color cast in a specific luma range. If you have colors which are too similar, you can use hue versus hue to pull one of the color ranges away from the others. The vertical line shows you the target range while making adjustments. This design is an industry first. It helps you understand curves better and gives you more control when using multiple curves on the same image. And with the new display color management option, the right color space conversion is automatically selected for desktop and mobile systems, giving you consistent results in both Premiere Pro and After Effects. New authoring tools in After Effects allow motion graphics artists to organize templates and simplify the editorial workflow in Premiere Pro. Editable parameters are grouped into sections with twirl-down menus, so you can open and close each section as you customize the content for your video. Depending on the template controls, you can edit text, change font characteristics, or the appearance of complex animations. Part of the magic of motion graphics templates is maintaining visual continuity for things you don't want to change, for example for branding, while letting you customize as little or as much as is needed for your workflow. The new data-driven infographics turn numbers into visuals, making it easy to create fantastic-looking custom graphics in no time based on just a spreadsheet. A simple drag and drop of a spreadsheet file onto a motion graphics template that supports data-driven infographics immediately gives you visual representation of your information within your video projects. You can change the selection of data from the spreadsheet right within Premiere Pro, and the appearance is easily adjusted with a set of controls in the Essential Graphics panel. The Essential Sound panel gives you easy access to great tools for efficiently refining your audio. New intelligent audio cleanup tools make it even better. Use the denoise slider to dial down any noise found in the original recording. Advanced algorithms adapt to the audio, giving you an optimal result every time. The new de-reverb slider lets you reduce or remove room reverb you might get in most indoor spaces, leaving you with much cleaner dialogue and voiceover. It can make a re-recording a thing of the past, or save a recording that otherwise you couldn't use and where there is no way of going back to redo the recording. All of this and more is coming with the next major update to Premiere Pro CC.